Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is how to integrate HR strategy with overall business activity. It is one of the important topic in strategic human resource management. So, first we need to understand the human resource management and whose integration and whose strategy is being integrated to business strategy. So human resource management is a process of bringing people and organization together so that the goal and objective of each other can be achieved. So in this lecture we will discuss how important is to ensure that HR functions are properly aligned with the overall business strategy of an organization. So today, human resource department have a more precise strategic roles in company, and companies have already understood the importance of HR department and HR strategy and its long-term impact on the overall business strategy. And an HR strategy affects the bottom line of an organization. So let us look into HR as a part of complete business strategy. So first way to align HR strategy into business strategy so is that we can see HR strategy as business strategy. So in a real world, no margin in the sand is drawn between human resource strategy and a business strategy. A successful business owner can understand the strong connection between these two, I mean the HR strategy and the business strategy. Progressing human capital is also essential to the longevity and the successfulness of an business organization. So human resource strategy today includes executive leadership team, uh, which includes with human resource expert to improvise complementary goals of the human resource and the complete business strategy. Second way to integrate HR strategy into business strategy, that HR strategy and the business productivity. So the recruitment and selection process in human resource department is a paramount in creating productive workforce. This is the first and the most important activity if we talk about recruitment and selection. So to increase the overall business productivity, first strategy in HR to align with that business productivity is recruitment and selection process. So that we can get the optimum productivity from the workers. So maintaining the workforce where employee enjoy higher level of satisfaction and the job security converts into workforce that assists in achieving business goals also. Then the third integration can be done, uh, which is trends affecting HR and business strategy. So we need to focus on the trends that can affect the HR strategy as well as the business strategy overall. So presently we can say that HR technology have become an integrated part of advancing, when we talk about advancing a business process as a whole, and supporting far more than the basic transactions and avoiding HR and business agenda for future. Human resource information system is also playing very crucial role when it comes to latest trends in HR strategies. So human resource information system, human resource accounting, human resource audit also plays a vital role in rejection of candidate, in selection of candidate, and in promotion and posting of candidate. So this is one of the way to inculcate HR strategy into business strategy. Then the last kind of strategy can be the interaction among executive leadership. So the best way to cultivate relationship between HR and executive level is by demonstrating return on investment in human capital resource activities and practices. So if we show the top executives that this is the return on investment when it comes to investing in human resource, so that we can get a better idea, and we can one can understand the importance of investing in human resource. This may include explaining the link between reduction in employee turnover and the improvement of job satisfaction that can further improve the overall productivity in an organization. So these are the ways by which we can integrate HR strategies to the overall business activities, so that which was the traditional notion that HR department has no contribution or very less contribution when it comes to revenue generation. So you can put a better perspective in terms of investment in HR functions. So this is all about integration of HR strategy. So I hope you understand the importance of integrating HR strategy and to the business strategy and overall implementation in overall organization. Thank you so much.